Could a silent epidemic be lurking within your body, altering your health in ways you can't even begin to imagine? This question isn't just a thought experiment. It's a stark reality for nearly a third of the global population grappling with an invisible foe, zinc deficiency. This nutrient, often overlooked, is a cornerstone of our biological foundation, influencing everything from our ability to fight off infections to our growth and cognitive functions. Imagine a world where a single deficiency could drastically alter the fate of billions, leading to stunted growth in children, compromised immune systems vulnerable to a barrage of diseases, and a life haunted by chronic health issues. This is not the plot of a dystopian novel. It's the horrifying truth of zinc deficiency, a global health crisis hidden in plain sight. So, in this video, I will talk about what zinc deficiency is, its functions, some which might shock you, its link to stunted growth, hair loss, acne, and many other symptoms of zinc deficiency, even your sexual health. I will discuss diseases linked to zinc deficiency. The last one will shock and make you rethink your life. And lastly, I will give the foods or diets that will help you replenish your zinc level naturally. So make sure to watch this to the end and do not forget to like and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, I am V and welcome to the best health channel on YouTube where we talk about everything related to your health and well-being. Zinc deficiency is a state where there is not enough zinc in the body to meet its needs. Zinc is a crucial trace element necessary for a wide range of biological functions, including DNA synthesis. Yes, you heard that right. DNA synthesis, cell division, growth and development, wound healing, and a properly functioning immune system. It also plays a vital role in taste and smell. But here is the thing. Many people don't know how important this element is to our body and what could happen if all the zinc in the world suddenly disappears. But we are not here for it. We are here for what happens when the zinc in your body gets lower than normal. Populations at risk of zinc deficiency primarily include children, pregnant and lactating women, the elderly, and individuals with malabsorption syndromes or chronic illnesses that interfere with zinc absorption or increase zinc loss. Now, let's look at the role of zinc in the body so that you can understand why it is so important. Immune function. Zinc is essential for the development and function of many cells within the immune system. It plays a critical role in the body's defense against viruses and bacteria, helping to reduce the duration and severity of illnesses like the common cold when taken promptly. So, it is low. You are opening the big gate for viruses and bacteria, and your flu might not be gone after the normal 7 to 14 days. Imagine having the flu for a month or more. I don't even want to think about it. Wound healing. Zinc plays a key role in maintaining skin integrity and structure. It is crucial for wound healing because it is necessary for cell division, cell growth, and the breakdown of carbohydrates, which provide energy for the healing process. DNA synthesis and cell division. Zinc is required for DNA synthesis and is essential for the process of cell division. It supports normal growth and development during pregnancy, childhood, and adolescence. So even your existence depends on zinc, not only zinc though, but it plays a crucial role. Protein synthesis. Zinc is involved in the synthesis of proteins in the body, making it essential for growth and the repair of body tissues. Sense of taste and smell. Zinc is necessary for the proper development and function of neurons in the nose and taste buds. Zinc deficiency can lead to a loss of taste and smell. Reproductive health. In men, zinc plays a role in testosterone production, the development of the reproductive organs, and sperm production. In shorts, it can make you a bigger man, and it is also important for ovulation and fertility in women. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Zinc acts as an antioxidant, fighting oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease. I want you to know that free radicals also contribute to cancer growth. Enzyme function. Zinc is a key component of over 300 enzymes in the body, participating in chemical reactions that include digestion, metabolism, breaking down of food substances, and conversion to energy, and nerve function. These enzymes are involved in processes ranging from carbohydrate digestion to alcohol metabolism, making zinc vital for the functioning of nearly every biological process. Gene expression. Zinc plays a crucial role in gene expression, affecting the regulation of genes that control growth, development, and stress responses. It acts as a transcription factor by binding to DNA and influencing the behavior of genes, which determines when specific genes are turned on or off. Cognitive function. Zinc is essential for brain health and cognitive function. It is involved in neurotransmitter function and helps maintain the structure and function of brain cells. Zinc deficiency has been linked to mood disorders, learning disabilities, and memory problems and even depression, highlighting its critical role in mental health and cognitive processes. These roles highlight zinc's importance in supporting a wide range of physiological functions and maintaining overall health. Zinc deficiency can lead to various health issues, underscoring the need for adequate zinc intake through diet or supplementation when necessary. Zinc plays a multifaceted role in the body, influencing various aspects of cellular metabolism, immune function, and tissue health. Its link to conditions such as acne, infections, and hair loss highlights its importance in dermatological health and immune defense. Here's how zinc is connected to each of these issues. Zinc and acne. Anti-inflammatory properties. Zinc has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness and irritation associated with acne. It may reduce the inflammatory response to bacteria and other irritants that contribute to acne. Sebum production regulation. Zinc can regulate sebum production in the skin. Overproduction of sebum is one of the contributing factors to acne development. By controlling sebum production, zinc can help reduce the likelihood of acne breakouts. Antimicrobial effect. Zinc exhibits antimicrobial properties against a variety of pathogens, including those that contribute to acne development. It can inhibit the growth of Propionibacterium acnes, a bacterium involved in acne formation. Zinc and infections. Immune system support. Zinc is crucial for the normal development and function of cells mediating innate immunity, such as neutrophils and natural killer cells. It also affects the development of adaptive immunity by influencing the activity of lymphocytes. A deficiency in zinc can lead to an impaired immune response, making the body more susceptible to infections. Wound healing. Zinc's role in wound healing is also relevant to its ability to fight infections. By promoting wound healing, zinc helps maintain the integrity of physical barriers, skin and mucosal membranes, against pathogenic organisms. Zinc and hair loss. Hair follicle health. Zinc is essential for hair follicle health. It plays a role in protein synthesis and cell division, which are critical for hair growth. Hormone regulation. Zinc influences the levels of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, and androgen associated with male and female pattern hair loss. By inhibiting the conversion of testosterone to DHT, zinc may help prevent hair follicle miniaturization, a characteristic of androgenetic alopecia. Antioxidant role. Zinc acts as an antioxidant, protecting hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress is a contributing factor to hair loss in various conditions. The link between zinc and these conditions underscores the importance of maintaining adequate zinc levels for skin health, immune function, and hair health. While zinc can be beneficial, it's important to approach supplementation with caution, as excessive zinc intake can lead to adverse effects and interfere with the absorption of other essential minerals. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you're addressing specific health concerns like acne, infections, or hair loss. Zinc deficiency can manifest through other varieties of symptoms, reflecting its widespread role in the body's physiological processes. Here are some other notable symptoms and their explanations. Growth retardation. Zinc is vital for cell growth and division, making it crucial for normal growth and development. A deficiency can result in delayed growth in children and adolescents. Delayed wound healing. Since zinc plays a key role in maintaining skin integrity and immune function, insufficient zinc levels can slow down the process of wound healing. This is because zinc is involved in collagen synthesis and inflammatory response regulation, which are essential for the repair process. Diarrhea. Zinc plays a role in maintaining the health of the gastrointestinal tract. Deficiency can lead to chronic diarrhea, which further complicates zinc status by leading to increased zinc loss. Impaired cognitive function. Zinc is important for brain health and neurofunction. Deficiency has been linked to attention and motor disorders in children, as well as cognitive impairment and mood disturbances in adults. Loss of appetite and weight loss. Zinc is essential for the proper taste and smell functions, and its deficiency can lead to a loss of appetite. This, combined with the potential for gastrointestinal disturbances, can result in unintentional weight loss. Reproductive issues. Zinc is crucial for healthy reproductive system development and function in both males and females. In men, zinc deficiency can affect testosterone levels and sperm quality, potentially leading to infertility. In women, it can affect menstrual cycle regularity and overall reproductive health. Changes in taste and smell. Zinc is necessary for the proper function of taste buds and olfactory cells. Deficiency can lead to changes in taste and smell, which can affect appetite and enjoyment of food. Night blindness. Zinc plays a critical role in eye health, particularly in the function of the retina. It is involved in converting vitamin A from the liver to retinol, which is essential for the pigment melanin's production in the eye. A deficiency in zinc can lead to impaired vision in low light conditions, known as night blindness. Behavioral issues. Zinc influences brain function and neurotransmitter regulation, which can affect mood and behavior. Deficiencies in zinc have been linked to irritability, lethargy, and mood swings. In children, it can contribute to attention deficit disorders and decreased cognitive function, affecting learning and behavior. Weakness and fatigue. You might feel like you have been lazy, but it might be zinc deficiency. Zinc is essential for energy production and enzyme function within the body's cells. A deficiency can impair these processes, leading to a general feeling of weakness and chronic fatigue because the body's metabolic rate may be affected, reducing its efficiency in generating energy. Poor concentration and memory. Zinc is involved in brain function and neurotransmission. Adequate levels of zinc are essential for cognitive processes, including memory formation and concentration. Deficiency in zinc can impair these cognitive functions, leading to difficulties with memory, focus, and decision-making abilities. Recognizing the symptoms of zinc deficiency is important for prompt diagnosis and treatment. Addressing the deficiency often involves dietary adjustments and, in some cases, supplementation under medical supervision to avoid excessive intake, which can also have adverse effects. Zinc deficiency, due to its extensive role in various physiological processes, can contribute to the development or exacerbation of several diseases. Here are some diseases and health conditions linked to zinc deficiency, along with explanations of the connections. Acrodermatitis enteropathica, heard of that before? This is a rare genetic disorder that impairs zinc absorption. Individuals with this condition suffer from severe zinc deficiency, leading to symptoms like skin lesions, diarrhea, and hair loss. Supplementation with zinc is crucial for managing this condition. Stunted growth. Zinc is essential for cell growth and division, making it crucial for the physical development of children. Zinc deficiency can lead to stunted growth and delayed sexual maturation due to its impact on hormone regulation and growth factor activity. Age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Zinc plays a role in maintaining eye health and may help protect against AMD, a leading cause of blindness in older adults. Zinc's antioxidant properties can help reduce oxidative stress, one of the factors contributing to AMD. Depression. Zinc influences brain function and neurotransmitter regulation, which can affect mood. Low levels of zinc have been linked to increased symptoms of depression. Zinc supplementation may have beneficial effects on mood and depressive symptoms, likely due to its role in neurotransmitter pathways and neurogenesis. These diseases and conditions underscore the importance of maintaining adequate zinc levels for overall health. Incorporating zinc-rich foods into your diet is an effective way to prevent or address zinc deficiency. Here are 10 foods that are excellent sources of zinc, along with explanations of their nutritional value. Oysters. Oysters are among the richest sources of zinc, contributing significantly to your daily requirement with just a few ounces. This makes them an excellent choice for boosting zinc intake, in addition to offering high-quality protein and other minerals like selenium. Red meat, beef, lamb. Red meats are not only high in protein but also excellent sources of zinc, particularly beef and lamb. They provide a bioavailable form of zinc, meaning it's more easily absorbed by the body compared to zinc from plant sources. Legumes, chickpeas, lentils, beans. Legumes are a great source of zinc for vegetarians and vegans. Although the zinc in legumes is not as easily absorbed as the zinc from animal products due to phytates, soaking, sprouting, or fermenting, these foods can enhance zinc's bioavailability. Seeds, pumpkin, sesame, hemp seeds. Seeds like pumpkin, sesame, and hemp seeds are not only rich in zinc but also contain fiber, healthy fats, and various other vitamins and minerals. They can be easily incorporated into diets as a snack or as part of meals. Nuts, cashews, almonds, peanuts. Nuts are another plant-based source of zinc, offering the added benefits of heart-healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Cashews, in particular, have a high zinc content. Dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt. Dairy products are good sources of zinc, especially cheese and milk. They also provide calcium and protein, making them beneficial for bone health as well as zinc intake. Whole grains, wheat, quinoa, rice. Whole grains like wheat, quinoa, and rice contain zinc. Similar to legumes, the presence of phytates in whole grains can inhibit zinc absorption, but they still contribute to zinc intake as part of a balanced diet. Eggs contain a moderate amount of zinc and are a staple in many diets. They also provide high-quality protein and other nutrients like B vitamins and selenium. Shellfish, crabs, lobsters, mussels. Besides oysters, other shellfish like crabs, lobsters, and mussels are good sources of zinc. They also offer omega-3 fatty acids and other minerals. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains a notable amount of zinc. It's also rich in antioxidants and can be a delightful way to contribute to zinc intake, though it should be consumed in moderation due to its high sugar and calorie content. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can help ensure adequate zinc intake, supporting overall health and well-being. It's important for vegetarians, vegans, and those with dietary restrictions to pay particular attention to their zinc sources, considering the bioavailability and absorption factors associated with different foods. As we've journeyed through the crucial roles of zinc in our bodies, from bolstering our immune system to safeguarding our mental health, and explored the harrowing consequences of its deficiency, ranging from stunted growth in children to the heightened risk of infections, it's clear that this trace mineral is an unsung hero in our quest for health and well-being. The stories of zinc's impact on our health are both eye-opening and deeply emotional, reminding us of the fine balance our bodies must maintain to thrive. The foods we choose to eat, the lifestyles we lead, and our awareness of nutrients like zinc shape not just our physical health, but the quality of our lives, the vibrancy of our communities, and the future of our children. It's a poignant reminder that something as small as a trace mineral can hold the key to profound aspects of our health and happiness. In a world brimming with information and choices, making informed decisions about our health can be overwhelming. Yet, it's essential to remember that knowledge is power, power to change, to heal, and to thrive. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of nutrition and its impact on our lives, let's commit to supporting one another on this journey. If you found value in this exploration of zinc and its indispensable role in our health, I encourage you not just to reflect on these insights but to act on them. Share this knowledge with those you care about, engage in conversations about health and nutrition, and remember that every small step towards understanding can lead to significant changes in our well-being. Please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tips and deep dives into how we can nurture our health. Together, let's build a community committed to wellness, armed with knowledge, and inspired by the possibility of a healthier, brighter future for all. I wish you a beautiful day and a healthy life, and thank you for watching this video to the end. You are the real MVP. See you in my next video.